In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Indeed profile. Managing and sharing your professional profile online can make a big difference in your job search experience, especially when you want to connect with recruiters or expand your opportunities. In this guide, you'll learn a simple and clear way to access, manage, and share your profile on Indeed so that your information is always ready when you need it. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Indeed website. Once the page loads, sign in to your account using your usual login details so you can access your full profile features. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where your account icon or profile name appears. Click on it to open the account menu, then select the option labeled Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Here, you'll find all your professional details, including your experience, skills, and other relevant information that employers may review. Your Indeed profile works like a digital resume, giving recruiters a quick overview of your background and qualifications. Keeping it updated is important because it represents your professional identity whenever you share it. Once you are on your profile page, look for the option that allows you to share or copy your profile link. This is usually found near the top of the page and may appear as an icon or a small menu button, often represented by a link symbol or additional options icon. Clicking this option will generate your unique profile URL. This link can then be copied directly to your clipboard, making it easy to share. Once copied, you can send it through email, messaging apps, or even include it in your professional networking platforms. Anyone with the link will be able to view your profile based on your visibility settings. Before sharing, it is always a good idea to review your profile carefully. Make sure your information is accurate, up to date, and reflects your most recent skills and experience. This ensures that anyone viewing your profile gets the best possible impression of your professional background. And that's it. You now know how to easily access and share your Indeed profile whenever needed. With this simple process, you can stay prepared and make your job search more efficient and organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.